Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix brightness not changing on Windows 11. So you're trying to change the brightness lower or higher with the slider and you're unable to do so. We're going to do some very easy yet very effective steps to fix the problem. The first step is to do the right click on the desktop and then go to display settings. And here the brightness, if the slider isn't working, just click on that or click on this brightness and turn off change brightness based on content. Once you turn it off, close the window and see if that slider is, letting you change the brightness. If it's not, then we will move to the next step. And the next step is to open the device manager. So in the device manager, in the start icon, we will do a right click and then we will go to device manager. Now here we are looking for display adapters. We have found it. You might be using a different graphics, not a problem. You just need to do a right click and click on update driver first and then click on search automatically for drivers. The next thing is enabling and disabling the graphics. So do a right click and click on disable. And once you disable it, your screen might get changed, but we can do it again by just doing a right click again and we will click on enable device. And you can see the brightness, the display is back, and now you can see if that works for you. All right, so you can try that. The next thing is checking the driver from updates. From the Windows update, we will check the driver. So we will close this and we will do a right click. We will go to settings. We will go to Windows adapter, Windows update. Then we will go to update history. We will minimize this quality updates and we will expand the driver updates. Now here, look for anything which is related to your graphics, your GPU. If you see it and if you have any pending driver updates available, then try to install it and also update your Windows. Okay? And once you're done, restart the computer. And if you still have issues, the final thing is running, we need to repair the OS. We need to repair the operating system to fix the brightness issue. So we will click on this search and we will type CMD, run as administrator, and then say yes. So sometimes if there is some corruption in your Windows, there could be a problem that you're unable to change the brightness slider. So here we will type SFC space / scan now. You can type it. I have maximized it. So after SFC, there is a space, then / scan now and hit enter. This will scan the whole computer. And if there is any corruption, any missing files, anything which is not good in the OS, it will fix it. And once this is done, you need to restart the computer as well. And for most of us, this will fix the brightness problem. And if this tutorial is helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.